Oh, would you look at that? The NASDAQ finally making a move here. Down 100 points now, 120 points to the downside off the VWAP there right before I went live on YouTube here for Power Hour. What the fuck? What the fuck? Nah, it's all good. Well, maybe it's not good. I don't know. Is it good? Who knows, really? Good morning, good afternoon, whatever you want to call it. We are live. We're doing it. It's happening. Woo, buddy. That's right, that's right, that's right. Dung didn't it? Dude, Dung Do got screwed. What happened to Dung Do? Dung Do's 280 level never got touched. Ouch. We went to the wrong side. Good morning, good afternoon. How's it poppin'? Got the NASDAQ selling off here as well. We're going into the power. It's time. That power never got so many hours. The power hour is real. It's time to party. Make some money for my birthday. All right, Marcus, let's go. Money time. Birthday boy. Birthday boy. Birthday boy. Well, how old are you turning, Marcus? How old is Marcus turning? Right now, the NASDAQ moving on down here. We still have not gotten below the low. Well, that's NVIDIA, sorry. We broke through the low now. We got that pivot point coming up there, 20,041s. Look at this dump right now. What a move. Why does this happen? Why does this happen right now? You know, why? No, why? I just got on the computer. I literally just turned on. I got back from the gym and I saw this move down here and have not been able to capitalize off it yet. That thing just went straight down here. It just went straight down. You know, fuck. Both the ES, the NASDAQ, both dumping on down. What does this mean? Fed speaking, I guess. The Fed is speaking. That's right. The Fed. Imagine having so much power, man, where you just, whatever you say, the market moves. It's crazy to think about. Crazy. Absolutely crazy to think about, you know? Is the market crashing? Oh, God, it's going straight down. I don't know what we're going to do. The end is near. The end is near. Look at this 15-minute candle. We finally got the breakout. I mean, I guess this kind of wedge just got more and more as the day went on, but there's that break to the downside. We had Jay Powell coming out speaking here, and right now it's kind of looking to see where we might bounce at if we're gonna bounce. This would be some support back there on Wednesday. There's a lot of support down there at the 19,950s, but right now kind of pulling back here into this previous 2060, 2040 area. So it's September 30th, the last day of the month. I think it's the last day of the quarter as well, right? Going into the end of year, fourth quarter trade. I thought your prop accounts control the market. Well, they do, but they don't. Unfortunately, I would have much more money if they actually did. All right, just kind of waiting to see how this is going to unfold here. We got 30 minutes left on that candle. Just a straight down move. We're so far away from everything now, and it's like, do I really want to short down here right now? I don't know. Ray the King got short on accident. You're the luckiest son of a bitch I know, Ray. You lucky son of a bitch. How'd you do that? I wish I got lucky and got short. It always works the opposite way when I get lucky. I do the opposite of what the market does. Undefeated, baby. Undefeated. Looks like Dung Du blew up his account and he's gone for the day. No more Dung Du. Dung Du gone. Dung gone. Dung gone. He's dung gone. Why not long? Yeah, I mean, I think this is probably a better spot to get long than to get short now. Just kind of waiting. Got wick there on the bottom of those two candles. If we get above this 75 level, maybe get a little push back up for a little bull, another bear flag. You know, maybe if we push up into there. I just feel like shorting right here. This is gonna just pop up and then maybe we get that dump. We'll see. I think right now it's a good time to not get short. Right? We'll see if that idea pays off here. Well, it looks like we had the right idea to not get short down there. Let's see how much this wants to push back up. Rip Dung Du. There's your pop. Wow. We need to have a little moment of silence. A little moment of silence for Dung Du. Rip Dung. This was his level earlier. And well, he had the right idea. I'm not hating on him by any means. The trade was good. You took a good trade here from the 200s up into that 50 level, so you can't really complain. Still got about 50 points out of that move. But the 280's just not getting touched up there for now. E-Man, pass your Apex evaluation today using the code PW. Let's go. Jose Perez bought the course and testing it with the evaluation. Caught the dump with the other confluence. Ooh, love to hear it. Thanks for the support. Will the shorts get trapped down here? Trung got his first payout with Take Profit Trader. Let's fucking go. Remember, use the code PW at all the different prop firms to get the best deals. That's right. That's right. That's right. There is no better deals on the market. All right, all right. Showing you guys, these are my fast track trading accounts. We're up over $1,000 in these accounts. We got 10 fast track trading accounts. These are straight to funding accounts. Oh, I know. What a crazy time to be alive. The prop firm space, you can now just go straight to funding. There's a link there in the chat if you want to learn more. But right now, we're up over $10,000 in our fast track trading account today. Yeah, buddy, it's happening live. Let's see what else we can do. Rip Dung Du. Nasdaq's kind of just holding up down here. I wouldn't be surprised if this thing starts to pump back up here. Need to pump up a little bit. Pump up the volume here. Pump it up. Can you don't pump it up? You got to pump it up. If you don't pump it up. What prop firms do you use on the daily? I use every prop firm, honestly. We got Apex. We got Take Profit Trader. We got Fast Track Trading. I've been trading some Top Step accounts. I've been trading, what else we got? Fast Track, Take Profit, Apex, Top Step, My Fund of Futures. We're just doing it all, baby. Look at this. Pushing it up here, baby. Pushing it up. Hey, and by no means, I don't run these prop firms. You know, I don't know exactly what the fuck's going on. All I know is that, hey, you know, I'm a degenerate, all right? My theory is very simple. This is my theory. My theory is that, you know, if I can't make money with one account, I could definitely make money with 50 accounts. You know, you think about it. Like, you know, the odds are good. 1 out of 50 accounts is going to get paid out. 1 out of 50, baby. Look at this thing. Straight back up here now. Nice work, Rob. 85s to the 115s. Killing it. Powell is still speaking. Is he? How long is he supposed to speak for? This motherfucker. Rip Dung Do. Where did Dung go? Where did the Dung go? He said keep your stops wide today. I don't know. I don't know if he meant this wide, though. You think he's still long? Legit cheats. Apex didn't give an account to me. I bought it today. You should get an account by the end of day at latest. I mean, they're not going to, like, not give you an account. They're going to give you an account. Just, you know, I don't know. I mean, it's going to happen at some point. Rip the dung. Well, hey, you know, like I always tell myself, I'm like, sometimes, you know, just not doing something is a reward in itself, right? You know, it's a reward in itself if you think about it. I said, not looking to get short down here, and look, we missed out. We missed out on getting squeezed out. That would have, you know, that would have really sucked. That would not have been fun. That would not have been fun to get short down here at the bottom and then get squeezed out of this thing. No, thank you. No, thank you. I'm trying to make money, not lose money. Look at this thing. Right back up now. Tuh. Oh, my Lord. Where's it going? Where's this thing going? Take Profit Trader is very fast. I will admit that. Yeah. If you guys haven't already used that code PW, gets the best discounts at all of the prop firms out there. That's right, PW. It's simple, it's easy to remember. PW. You can't spell winning without W. PW, get it? Power W. Timothy Rogers made $800 with Dung Do. Wait, is Dung Do live somewhere else? Does Dung Do have his own live stream now? What the fuck's going on around here? Patrick, what kind of things do you have to do on the prop firm challenge? Just make money. Mostly just have to make money. That's pretty much the rule. Hit the profit target. Cone Killer, Patrick. Hey, Cone Killer. What's poppin'? You said my name. Congratulations. You said it. Say my name 3 times. Something bad might happen. Say my name 3 times. Something bad might happen. Deshaun Ulysses, are you waiting for it to come back over VWAP? I'm just waiting for a setup. I don't know why people are so confused about like what we're looking at here. I want to make it very clear, guys. Trading is pretty much just sitting here staring most of the time. 99% of the time, all you're doing is just staring at the chart, waiting for something to look good, right? You're just waiting for a bull flag, a bear flag, some type of setup, right? That's all we're waiting for. Just waiting for a move that looks like it's in favor of whatever idea that we have as a trader. And that's all this is about. So now it's like, you know, if we can move back into here, maybe there's a long opportunity to the VWAP from there. But in general, just patience, my friends, patience. LSFX, you are dookie at trading. Thanks. I'm the shit. What can I say? I'm the shit. What can I say? This 15-minute candle right now already kind of pushing all the way back up into here. The shorts are definitely in trouble if this 15-minute candle extends through this and just pops right back up in there. They don't want that. They don't want that. That's for sure. Trung just passed 2 top step evaluations in the AM. Let's go. After buying the course, that's right. For only $199, you too can become the #1 day trader on YouTube. Guys, you heard Dung earlier. He said he's wide, bro. His stop is so wide, he can't miss. It's this wide. Still just kind of holding up right here. Could take a risky long if you really wanted to get crazy. If this thing wants to just keep squeezing. Get right through there now. But I'd like to see more of a pullback, you know? It's a risky long here, but got the VWAP coming up there next. There's your little 10-point pop. People are searching for Dung Do. Where is Dung Do? Dung Do! We want to see you, Dung Do. Nvidia back up to the VWAP now. Nvidia also popping. Nvidia holding that support from earlier. I'm telling you, the whole market. If you want to trade the NASDAQ, just trade Nvidia. Don't even look at the NASDAQ chart anymore. Just get long when Nvidia goes up, get short when it goes down. You can't lose. It's guaranteed. Is that Tang that you're drinking? No, it's like electrolytes. I just got done working out. Getting my pump on, little shoulder workout today. Getting the pump. Pump it up. If you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. All right, ES is back up there to the VWAP, getting stuck there at the VWAP for now on the ES. NASDAQ needs to kind of bull flag here, maybe a little pullback. Got to put in that higher low if we're looking for those longs, right? Get those higher lows. Need those higher lows. Need those higher lows here. Patrick, are you bullish or bearish? I'm bullish. But it doesn't really matter, to be honest. Like, you know, trade what you see. I think we're going to push up, but I might be wrong. Who knows? I love answering questions. I love answering questions in the chat. Am I bullish? Are you bearish? Patrick, are you long? Or are you short? Patrick, how much are you up? Patrick, what's going to happen next? Patrick, what do I do? What do we do? What do we do? What do I do? What do I do, Patrick? Looking a little bullish here. A little bullish. Just need our little flag set up here, you know. Let's get a little dip. Let's get a little dip down here, and then that pop right back up, and then we'll look for a long, right? Get that dip straight down, and then dip it back up. That's what I like to see. Little dip up, little dip down. You know, dip up, dip down. Get down, Junior. Dip up, dip down. She's trying to break to the upside, though. Mike Jones trying to break out here, getting very, very tight, right below that 60 level, baby. Put your hands in the air if you like to make money. Is that tap water? No, it's special water for my bones. Came right out of the ocean. A little bit of salt, a little bit of fish pee-pee. Good to go. There's that breakout now. She's a going. She's a runner. She's a track star. Got the VWAP coming up there at the 87s next. Patrick Wieland, Apex, big news tomorrow. Where'd you hear that at? That's news to my ears. I want to know about the news. What's the news? Where'd you hear about big news tomorrow? Tell me. I haven't heard anything. I feel like I should hear about it before you do, but who knows? Maybe I'm wrong. Rupert Pumpkin. What you talking about? Who are you talking about? Who lost it on you talking about Dakota? Was it me? No. Most definitely not me. $10:30 tomorrow. Can somebody tell me what the news is? I'm so confused. What is the news, man? Apex is not denying evals. Listen, this is what is happening with Apex. It's very simple, right? The thing about denying they're basically going through, and all the people that have pulled out fucking hundreds of thousands of dollars and made a bunch of money, they're just saying, hey, it's time to grow up. It's time to move on, right? It's time for you to go fucking trade your own money. That's the biggest problem for these prop firms now, is people, like, they just expect to be able to trade these prop firms forever. Like, oh, let me just trade prop firms for the rest of my life and never, ever move on. Right? If you're profitable and you're making money, grow up. Go get your own account. I don't know, man. I don't know why they do what they do, but again, I don't fucking run Apex. I have no fucking idea what they do over there. But if I had a prop firm, I already said, if I had my own prop firm, I'd have a rule. I'd be like, look, there's like a $20,000, $10,000, whatever, maximum payout. And once you hit your max payout, congratulations, you win. You get an award. Go live your own life now. Go move on. Go move up in the world. No, it is. Guys, the point of a prop firm is not to fucking... if I build a prop firm, the idea is to build a prop firm for new traders to be able to trade through my prop firm, build up capital to get their own accounts, right? That's the whole goal, right? You spend $50 to get an evaluation. You go through the evaluation. You get into a funded account. You get paid out. The goal is not to fucking be the #1 day trader on fucking Twitter posting about how many payouts you got with every prop firm in the space. The goal is to make your own money, to trade your own money, you know? Hey, and like I said, Apex, they're making changes. They're going to be making a lot of changes. That's all I know. And what they've done in the past, is it right? Is it wrong? No, but it's not sustainable. You can't have fucking all these traders trading 20 account, fucking just making millions of dollars. That's just, it's the D, you know? It's the deal. It's time to grow up. If you're a profitable, amazing trader, then go move on. Move on to bigger and better things. You know? How is FTT sustainable? I don't fucking know, because 90% of people lose. And even, hey, again, guys, here, the thing is, though, I'm going to applause the music so everybody can fucking understand this. Trading through a live prop firm account is not good. Are you understand? Everybody understand that? Do I need to repeat this? Trading through a live prop firm account is not good. You pay 1099 taxes. If you're making millions of dollars, if you're making $100,000, $300,000, $400,000 trading through a live prop firm account, you are trading as a 1099 employee. That is terrible for taxes. Come on, guys, you have to be smart here. There is no benefit. I would never want to be in a live account with any prop firm. Why would I want that? I can open my own live account. Why would I want to trade in a prop firm live account? That makes no sense to me. It makes no sense. I'd rather trade in the sim funded and make a bunch of money and then try to pull out as much money as I can until I basically get banned from that prop firm. That's what I would be my goal, right? Like my goal would be to make as much money as I can in the sim funded, and then once they force me into a live account, I take the payout and I go open my own account. You know, that's the truth though. But then you can't copy trade to spread the risk. Yeah, but guys, that's the progression. That is the progression, right? As a trader, the goal is to get into a prop firm, right? Make money, do it consistently, and then open your own account, right? Like that's you grow up in life. Trading, you're supposed to grow up. You're supposed to move on. You're not supposed to just trade in a prop firm forever. You know, like why am I a bad person for saying this? Like people are like, oh, you're an idiot. Like why am I a bad person? That's the facts. Like there is no benefit to trading through a live account. How do the prop firms make money? They make money off people losing. Are you guys dumb? Are you dumb? What do you mean, how do they make money? They make money off the 90% of day traders who lose money. Welcome to the world. Welcome to the actual fucking world, people. Hello. Reality is real. Top Step is not your fucking friend. Apex is not your friend. They're not sitting there going, hey, come here, little buddy. Let me help you. Let me make you rich. Come here, little buddy. You know, like, as much as Michael Patak and as much as those people want to sit there on their live streams and act like they're your best friend, they make money directly from you losing, right? Yes, I'm an affiliate. I am an affiliate. I do make money off of people using my code. But the thing is, if people didn't use my code, they would still sign up for the prop firms, and the prop firms would make all the money. So either way, right, people are going to sign up. So at least, like, I don't own the prop firm, right? Like, it's not my business. Like, I just make money off people using it. Do I benefit from people losing? 100%. But that is normal life, right? People are going to fail at every single industry that you go into. You go into a bar, a restaurant, you open a fucking automotive store, you open a fucking taxi business, whatever you open, whatever business you fucking open, you're putting somebody else out of business. Come on. Get on my level, people. Right now, the NASDAQ's still kind of holding up here right at the 21 EMA. I don't know. It's just like, it's like people get mad at me. Like, I'm the worst person on the internet because all I do is literally put out information that I like, the whole like ICT thing. All I've ever done with ICT is point out all of the lies that he makes. That's all I've ever done. And I'm a bad person because Patrick Wieland has pointed out all of the obvious fucking lies. Oh, Patrick Wieland's a terrible person because he tells everybody, hey, look, prop firms, they're not the fucking, this is not the end all be all, baby. I want to try to make as much money as I can make from these prop firms, and then I'm fucking out of here. I've told people that. Look, I'm here, make money, and then I'm gone. There's an opportunity right now in the market to make money from prop firms. One day, these prop firms might disappear. They might go kaboom, kabam. They might be gone. But guess what? Put the fucking money in your account today. Take the money out. Do what you want. Grow up. Like, God. Aren't all payouts from funded accounts a 1099? Yes, 100%. But again, why would I want to trade in a live account if I'm going to trade a live account where I don't get good fills, you know, and all that? Like, what if, you know what I mean? Like, what if, like, why would I just, like, what's the benefit of that? If I'm going to trade in a sim funded, yeah, all day, because I can put on 15 contracts and I can instantly get filled. That's why yeah, it's like, it's like playing a video game that you know you have an advantage on, right? Like, I know that I have an advantage trading in a sim-funded account because there is no liquidity. I can get in, I can get out instantly. Trading a real account is much difficult. It's much more difficult. How are you taxed as the employee if it's 1099? 1099 contractor, what do you mean? Oh my God. You do not, guys. I can't help people anymore. I can't help them anymore. I cannot help them anymore. I can't help them anymore. Sorry, apologies. Yes, you're taxed as a 1099 employee. Apologies. Sorry, I'm not a tax fucking professional. If you trade in a live funded account, you are taxed as a 1099 employee. If you trade in a real live account through your own name, you're taxed as a trader, right? You don't pay the fucking, yeah. a fuck. I don't give a, who cares about oh, Patrick, but you said employee. Yes, again, 1099, contractor, 1099, self-employed, whatever the fuck you want to call it. Whatever you want to call it. What the fuck is the difference? 1099, employee, self-employed, fucking contractor, whatever you want to call it. All right? It's what do you want from me? I'm sorry that I didn't fucking say the words exactly right. God. God. Bro, I'm a Moroccan and your salaries are $300. Guys, I'm not anti-prop firms. Why is this always got to be an argument with people? Why? Like, I am not anti-prop firms. I'm saying use the prop firms. Use them. Make the money. But at a certain point, like, if you make enough money from prop firms, why would you not, like, open your own account, right? Like, why would you not open your own account? You know? That's what I'm trying to put out there. I'm trying to explain the fact of, like, if you trade in a prop firm and you make money at a certain point, why would you not, like, evolve as a trader? Why would you not go and get your own account? B, somebody said if you're profitable, just form an LLC or an S Corp to save on taxes. Then you do not get a 1099. Oh my God. Yes, that's exactly how it works. If you open your own LLC and you open an S Corp, you don't pay any taxes. How amazing. That is exactly how this fucking... Guys, I've been doing it wrong. I paid fucking $300,000 in taxes. Why did I not do this? Why did I not fucking open an S Corp and not pay any taxes? Why? Why did I not do this? God, I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. I'm so dumb. Why did I ever pay taxes? You will pay taxes, but it'll be less. No, you. Oh my God. No. You please. You gotta learn. You gotta learn how taxes work. You gotta learn. Y'all gotta learn. You gotta learn. I can't. It's just like talking to morons in the chat. Patrick, do you know that if you just get an LLC, that you don't pay 1099 taxes? It could be loyalty. It's not loyalty. What do you mean? It has nothing to do with loyalty. It's that people don't leave prop firms because they don't make money. But I'm saying the point here. This is my last little point, right? And we're back to trading. My last little point is, if you are a profitable, amazing day trader, like all the people on Twitter, if you're that good at day trading and you're getting hundreds of thousands of dollars in payouts from prop firms, why not open your own personal account? That's all I'm saying. You know, at a certain point, you have capital. Why not open your own account? That's all. You know, that's all. That's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying, all right? It's that simple. All right, that's the argument here. So argue with me all you want, but what I'm saying is very simple. At a certain point, what do you mean to have less risk? Oh, God. It's all the same. It's all the same risk. What's the difference? It's your money. Like the prop firm doesn't just give you free money. It's not just free money. Like, you paid for that fucking money. They just transfer your money from the sim funded into a live account. Like, think about that. Again, let's just do the math on this. If you have 5 XFAs, and you get every single XFA, you get it. Let's say you get it up to, I don't know, $15,000 per account. Let's just say $20,000 because it's just easier. All right, so now you have $100,000 in these sim funded accounts. Let's say you go and they want to switch you into a live account, and you say, "Nah, I don't want to go to a live account. I'm going to take all the money out." So what do? You take the $100,000 that you made in the sim funded accounts. You then open your own brokerage. Now you have $100,000 to trade in your own brokerage. So how does the risk change? What does the risk do? So instead of you putting the money in your account, the prop firm puts the money into a live funded account, and then you get to trade the money that you've made anyway. So where does the risk change at? How does the risk change? What's the risk changing? There is no risk changing. It's the same shit. Either way, it's like the money that you made. I don't have all the answers, people. All I know is right now, make money while you can, all right? Make as much money as you can, because guess what? The people in the chat that are arguing with me, they're not making money anyway. So I'm not worried about it. You know, it's like, let's be honest. You know, the people sitting there in the chat arguing about LLCs and paying taxes, they ain't making money, so I ain't worried about it. All right? Leverage is different outside of prop firm. Guys, hey. I'm done. I'm over it. I'm over it. That is literally the world we live in now. The world we live in is everybody is an expert except for Patrick. And everybody gets mad when I actually talk about the truth. That's the world we live in, because people on the internet say, well, I went on the internet and I read about the LLC, and you don't pay taxes with an LLC. Everybody knows that, Patrick. It's a 1099, so you don't, if you open an S Corp, you no longer pay taxes. Yes, you're right. You are right. You win. Just curious, how long do you think prop firms are going to be viable? Forever? I mean, people, guys, like I said before, I've talked to actual like live brokers, people that like, you know, real account money, like people opening like a brokerage account, and it's the same shit, right? 90% of people that open an account, they're gonna lose money. People are gonna lose money day trading if it's in a prop firm, if it's in a live account, whatever it is. So either way, it's the business model is never gonna fail. It just comes down to the fact of like basically stopping the really good traders from exploiting the sim funding. If you can stop the really good traders from taking $1 million payouts and, you know, $500,000 payouts, then your prop firm can make tons of money. So, to be honest, if I had a prop firm and if I owned my own prop firm, I would make it very clear. If you sign up for my prop firm, there is a maximum amount of money that you can pull out. Like, I would be like, hey, look, you can have 10 accounts, but the maximum that you can pull out is $25,000. And after that, you got to get the fuck out. Go fuck go somewhere else. A lot of the prop firms have that rule in their contract. I think Top Step has a $25,000 cap as well. So, but the funny part is most of the people that are getting worked up about the rules or getting worked up about Apex denying payouts, the motherfuckers ain't going to get payouts anyway. That's the funny thing, if you think about that. Like, how many people are crying and complaining about Apex not paying out or being a scam? It's like, I would say 95% of the people that cry and complain about Apex being a scam are never going to even get to a payout. So it's kind of like, well, I mean, you're not wrong, but you're not right. You know, just think about it. You know what I mean? Like, and I've seen, you know, I don't want to I'm not going to get all into it, but I've seen the back end of a lot of these companies, and I know exactly how much money they make. They make a stupid, insane amount of money because, again, you know, 99% of their customers will never get to a point where they get a payout. I thought, you know, the other day, you look at the Top Step TV leaderboard. The Top Step TV leaderboard shows that there's like 80,000 customers, like 80,000 people on that leaderboard. So, I mean, out of the 80,000, only the top 10 have pulled out $100,000 or more, right? Like that's not even 1%. Literally, the top 10 people on the leaderboard are pulling out over 100,000, or they're up 100,000, whatever it is. Like, that's not even 1% of the total business. That's pretty crazy to think about. Like, that's how they make money right there, my friends. That is how they make money. FTMO doesn't carry on like this. No cap on earnings, etc. That's fine. But again, like if I was going to open a prop firm, I would put a cap. Because again, like the prop firm is not built for expert traders. The prop firm is built for people that want to learn, that want to basically get into trading without having to spend a ton of capital. That's the idea of a prop firm. The prop firm is not for, you know, everybody that's good at day trading to come make money. Like my prop firm would be called WeWantLosers.com, you know, because like I don't want the winners. I'll be honest. Like, I mean, that's a prop firm. It's my business. But would I have a problem like paying out people? No problem. Hey, if you come to my prop firm, you put in the work, you put in the effort, you build up your account, you get to a point where you get a payout, yes, pay you out, no problem. But the guy, the Twitter influencer that makes $1 million a month, I don't fucking want him. I don't need him. That's not part of my business. I don't want to fucking help. I don't want to pay out some guy making $1 million a month. Why would I want to pay that out? You know, that makes no sense. Are you thinking about starting a prop firm one day? I've thought a lot about it, to be honest, but it's a lot harder than you think. As easy as it seems, it's not as easy as it seems. I don't get it. How do they make money if traders are losing their capital? Well, let me just break it down really quickly. None of it's real. None of it's real. They don't lose capital. They make capital. It's an ATM. Literally, prop firms have an ATM. Prop firms are basically a legal Ponzi scheme. You know what I mean? Like, prop firms are literally a Ponzi scheme legally. If that makes sense. I don't know if it's even legal, but it's basically a Ponzi scheme. 90% of the traders who fail pay out the 10% who make it. And that's just the business of it. And that's it. Hate me, love me, whatever you want, but that's how it works. All right, power hour. Fucking A. I cannot believe this shit. If we get another power hour of this sideways bullshit, looks like it. I can't. But it is the same as the real market, 100%. It's the same with everything in life. Businesses, restaurants, everything. Everything is a 90% chance of failing. Pretty much everything for human beings. People that go on a diet. You know how many people like start a diet? How many people start a diet and then fail at the diet? 90% of people, right? There's a reason that most people are fat and they're out of shape and they, you know, got health problems and all that stuff. It's just because inherently human beings are just bad. They're just bad. We're just bad. We're bad at like continuing, I guess, or like sticking to a plan. Humans like to follow. They don't like to follow the plan. Nobody wants to follow the plan, man. Even me. I mean, I'll fucking admit it sucks. Going on a diet is the worst. I just want to eat my food, my Chipotle. In the real market, you don't have the CEO in live telling you how to trade. Well, this is true. All right, NASDAQ just chopping around here at that fucking pivot point VWAP bullshit. Oh, God. Everybody wants to go to heaven, but nobody wants to die. Ain't that the truth? $12,000 to trade one lot NASDAQ? No. Ninja Trader, Tradeovate, it's a $1,000 requirement to trade intraday. So you don't need massive. I've traded 30 contracts with a $50,000 account. So yeah, there's videos live on YouTube of it. So don't sit here and act like you have any fucking idea what you're talking about. All I wanna do is come home to you, baby. Holding up here at this pivot point for now, that 130 area. Did he go to Sheepy? No, did not go to Sheepy. Probably should have went to Sheepy, but these other guys that I've been working with in Boca, Excel Racing. Putting in this higher low right here for now at this 40 level. We're stuck right below this 21 EMA. 21 EMA on the 2-minute chart. VWAP to the upside there, 20,200 now. We don't. Patrick, did you trade Forex? I've never traded Forex, to be honest. I've looked into it and just didn't really see any reason to want to do that. It sounds like a bad. Like, why would I want to do that? No, thank you. I got better things to do. Let's see what we got. We got bears or bulls. Bears or bulls here, end of day. Let me know in the chat. We got a poll going right now. End of day, up or down, end of day here. Which way should we go? What about crypto? Oh yeah, I've traded crypto. Just very tight right here. Looking to see if we get this move out of here. Would you go 5 funded accounts at the same firm or 5 different firms? Do what you do, I guess. Get 5 at every firm. Hey. 5 accounts at every firm in the industry. Can't lose, right? Hey. Go long in one account, go short in the other, make money at every prop firm. Hey! With you. I wanna know. When am I gonna go back home? We got 2 more weeks left here in Hawaii. 2 more weeks. I don't know if I want to leave. I might just stay. I might never go back to Florida. I might just go live somewhere on the beach. Might move to Bali or something. I don't know. Where should I go? She wants to move up here, but we got to get out of this. Through this 150 area. Got the VWAP right there. We got to get this breakout. It's kind of holding right there at that pivot point for now. A little wick. 5-minute chart showing that potential breakout here through these 50 area there now. Vietnam is pretty chill. I go hang out with Dung Do. What if, dude? That could be a quest, a YouTube video vlog. I might need to make this. What do you guys think? I will go and find Dung Do in real life. You guys think is that get 1 million views or what? Who's gonna watch that video? Let me know in the chat. What do you think? Find Dung Do. What's the rent going for in Hawaii? $20,000 a month. Was your vacation pre-planned to avoid Helena? Yes. I actually work with the National Hurricane Association. I knew a month ahead of time that there was a hurricane coming. The funny part is, what if Dung Do doesn't even live? What if he lives like in Florida? What if Dung Do lives in Florida? Fuck. Timothy Rogers, when is a new fishing video dropping? When I actually go fishing. I haven't been fishing in a minute. My boat's getting worked on right now. There we go. The magic, the Patrick Wieland concepts. Look at the breakout through that little yellow line. Where are the shorts at now? Watch out. Got the ES squeezing back up here. I'm in northern Portugal. It's traditional and not woke. I like Portugal. I do like Portugal. There he is. Dung Do in the chat. This guy's a living legend right now. Living legend in the chat. You live in Vietnam, Dung? Saigon. Your toys are getting worked on. Buy better toys. Well, the Lambo's getting twin turbos, and the boat is getting a Seakeeper. So I couldn't really, not much I can really do about that, you know. I can't, you know, like I put $100,000 to upgrade the boat and $100,000 to upgrade the Lambo. You know, I can't. What do you want me to do about it? I don't know what to do. Slayed the mahi yesterday. Beautiful day. I'm not really I don't really give a fuck about the mahi anymore, to be honest. I don't really care about anything fishing wise unless it's a billfish. I just want to win money. Only thing I care about is winning money. I don't even like fishing, to be honest. People think I like fishing, but I don't even like fishing. I just like winning. Like, the actual art of fishing is not that fun. But the art of winning, now that is fun. Is Tradeovate trustworthy enough to put $30,000 in? Yeah. Ninja Trader owns Tradeovate. Market still just chopping here. Bye-bye. 150. Nefarious. Nefarious. Say bye-bye to your butthole here in a minute. The Shade 24/7. How's a Robin's Cup? I never enter the Robin's Cup. Dung Do is gonna sleep when he dies, motherfuckers. Sleep when he dies. Dung Do. I just got a new follower on Instagram. Pretty funny, actually. His name is Divine Kid. Divine Kid. And He's a trader. He's got 3 posts, 3 photos on his Instagram. The first photo is a photo of him and a girl with a big booty. The second photo is him and his day trading computer setup. And the third photo is him playing poker. That right there, my friends, is the starter pack for financial influencers right there. Day trading is going to love that guy. Patrick, have you ever driven a Boston Whaler? Yes. How many followers you got on Instagram? Let me see. It just goes up every day, man. It's just constantly going up. We got 26.2 thousand. 26.2. 2,600. 26,000. I used to have a lot more, then Instagram banned my account. Instagram banned my real account because they said that it was a fake account. Because of all the fake accounts. You gotta love the irony. The irony, you know? There's a lot of irony in that. There's a lot of irony. A lot of irony in that topic. When am I going to send Dung Do the shirt? It never hit Dung Do's target. Until it hits his target, he ain't getting no free shirt from me. Hey, Patrick, is Ross Cameron legit? No. Hey, ain't nobody legit. Ain't nobody legit out there, man. Everybody on the internet is just trying to sell you something, bro. Everybody's trying to make some money. You know, I'm out here just trying to make a little bit of money. I'm trying to retire sooner than later, you know. Just me and Victoria are gonna go live on the beach somewhere. She's gonna be walking around in a little sexy thong all the time, and I'm just gonna be sitting there fucking smoking a joint, living the dream, baby. Is Tory Trades legit? Yes, very legit. Legitly the biggest scam on the internet. God, why? Why does this have to do this? Every time I go live on YouTube, man, I gotta stop doing this. How do you know Ross Cameron isn't legit? Can I ask an honest question to people in the chat? Am I an idiot, or is everybody else an idiot? I'm still confused about this. I'm still confused. I must be an idiot, and everybody else is a genius, because I'm an idiot. Someone said, what happened to Tanya Trades? I looked the first time into her channel, but lost in every trade. I don't know. Hey, like I said, very simple. If they're on the internet, they ain't good at traders. You know, if you're a good trader, why would you be on the internet? You know, like at a certain point, it's like you got to grow up in life. And being on the internet is not a place for good traders. Why would you do that? If you're good at trading, why would you sit here and waste your life looking at a chart on the internet? Why not just make a bunch of money and then not sit on the internet, you know? Coming from me, I know that's funny because like I said, I'm not really a trader by the end of but you think about it, like I'm just an entertainer. I'm really good at making videos, I'm really good at editing, and I'm really good at getting people to talk about me. So I saw an opportunity to make millions of dollars. I said, hey, how can I make millions of dollars doing something that I'm really good at? I can make videos on YouTube, and then I could, that's a great fucking plan right there. That's a great plan. We should talk about trades. We're talking about it right now, just watching. Not really much to do here. You could get long, and then it could pull back. You could get short, and it could go up. You got 2 options. Move the trend line. Yeah, sorry, right there. Better now. It's better. I mean, people always like get mad at me because they come here and they're like, "Oh, Patrick, put a trade on." I'm like, what do you want me to do? I don't know what to do. It's not moving. You're looking for the #1 day trader on YouTube? Yes, you are in the right place. This is definitely the #1 day trader on YouTube home. Christopher, let me send you some weed. I've been growing for 3 decades. That's like, what, 30 years? God damn. Is it legal to ship it? Can you just send it in the mail? Patrick, saw your interview with Austin Silver. You're pretty straight about everything. I mean, I don't really feel like there's a reason to not be straight. Only people that don't use their real names and don't tell it how it is, like they're hiding something, right? They're hiding something. People don't come here because they think I'm the best trader in the world. They think I'm the best entertainer. Right? We didn't grow this YouTube channel to 250,000 subscribers based on my day trading abilities. That's for sure. You know, let's be honest. You know, they didn't come here. They did not come here to watch me day trade. Sometimes we get lucky, though. Yeah, I thought you were a douche until I saw that interview. Well, you know, a lot of people think I'm a douche, and that's okay. Because I'd rather people hate me than people think I'm legit for like something that's not real, you know. All right, watch out, Nefarious. Bend over, boy. Bend over, boy. The bull's about to put it in. They get through this 160 area. Nefarious is short. About to get short here. But yeah, I do think it's bullshit. Rips 100% is got some kind of scam going on. I don't care what anyone says. That he's so full of shit, top to bottom. The guy literally, I mean, he just, when he talks, you just know he's full of shit. The amount of shit that comes out of Rip's mouth. I don't know who's more full of shit, ICT or Rips. The two of them together could literally go and just fill up a whole room full of shit because they'd all, oh my God, be terrible. What happened to music? And it's not even I'm trying to be a hater. I just think it's funny because like anyone with a brain could listen to Rips and be like, that dude is full of shit. The shit that he talks about, like you know he's full of shit. At least like, you know, hey, I might be an idiot, but at least I'm not sitting here going, guys, the institutional orders are coming through right here. I can see the institutional orders. I'm looking at the institutional orders right now, everybody. You don't see the institutional orders? There's institutional orders right here. There are institutional. They're institutional orders. And the market's about to go to more institutional orders. I mean, he is so full of shit. The institutional, guys, it's right here. This is institutional. Rips also says that he builds businesses and then sells them for millions of dollars. But why does he use a fake name? If he was so successful, why would you use a fake name? You know, like Patrick, at least like you can Google me, right? You can go on Google and you can type in Patrick Wieland. You can find out everything about me. It's all on the internet. Literally everything's on the internet. Like go to Google, type in Patrick Wieland. It's there. Just go type it in. It's real. You can see everything about me ever in my life. You know, it's all real. Go on Google, search it. Right now on the day in these fast track accounts, I hate Motive Wave, by the way. Anybody else like Motive Wave? I fucking hate Motive Wave. It is terrible. Motive Wave, you can see the P&L there. That's 10 accounts up 1,000, 1 account's up 2,000, so that's a total of, I don't know what, $11,000 make you hollers. It's real. It's real. I'm a real boy. Nefarious, are you bent over yet? Get the lube out. It's about to go in. About to be a big old boner candle right to your booty hole. I love it. I actually get a lot of joy out of the chat being wrong sometimes, especially when somebody in the chat like thinks they're so smart, you know. Like, they're so smart. Oh, the market's gonna go straight down, Patrick. Okay, no problem. I saw that thing about the whole Diddy, about how P. Diddy, they were like, yeah, well, the reason he had so much baby oil was because he lived by a Costco. He lived right next to Costco, you know? So, I mean, it only makes sense. It only makes sense for Diddy to have so much fucking baby oil. And then the funny part is Costco supposedly was like, we don't even sell baby oil. We don't even sell baby oil at Costco. Fuck. Oh God, this is bad. Market is just absolutely stuck here. It's a good time to sit back and look at the internet. So yeah, you could go on Google, type in Patrick Wieland, look at that. It comes right up. You can see everything about me, baby. It's all out there for the whole world to see. You know, you can see it all. It's real. What else we got? The light. Trying to see what else is on the internet about me. Not that much today. Go to the images. Look how sexy this man is. Oh, God. How can one man look so good? Don't show this photo to... Don't you show that photo to Victoria, whatever you do. Don't show that one. That's a secret photo. What else we got out here? I'm trying to see what else is on the internet about me. Oh! Look at me. That fat little fucker right there. Some good stuff out there, man. Some good stuff on the internet about Patrick Wieland. But yeah, it's all there, man. Check it out. Patrick Wieland, we're live. No fake name needed on the internet. All right, I'm over it. I'm not over it, but I'm not trading this right now, by the way. We'll wait till the 350 algorithm. 350 algorithm, maybe something happens here. Nefarious, you can stand up, Grunt. You can stand up. Nefarious, stand up again. Don't worry. You don't put the lube away. Nefarious, put the lube away. You won't need it now. Have you found anything on Rips? Well, I figured out that his name, I can't figure out 100%, but Rips' name is either James Alexander or Alexander James, right? And I don't want to get all like, you know, conspiracy theory here, but I do want to kind of put some numbers together. I'm putting some information together here. If you think about it, so James, he said he used to work for a hedge fund, supposedly, right? So if you go and you type in James Alexander hedge fund, right? It's kind of like, if you can go, and there are some stories, right? There are some stories on here. But it's just like, it's hard to find which one, what it is. It just can't find which one is it. Patrick, Rips ate my asshole? That's weird. I just wish Rips would just stop. You know, just stop lying. Just tell everyone the truth. Just tell the truth, Rips. Just tell the truth. How do you know there's institutional orders if you've never worked in an institution? How does Rips not? How does he know? I mean, you guys, everybody already knows that Rips wanted to be my best friend. He followed me on Instagram. He was responding to videos of me working out. I mean, you know, It's a little weird, bro. I mean, he's the one who, you know, went on Twitter and, you know, he went on Instagram and said that I had good form. Uh-oh. Nefarious, get the lube out. Get the lube out, buddy. It's coming. Boner candle. Get that lube ready. I know, he did a whole video about me, but it's okay. I'm okay with it. It's totally fine with me, you know? It doesn't hurt my feelings. I've never denied that I've blown up plenty of evaluations. 100%. I'm probably the #1 day trader in the world to blow up the most evaluations ever. So, God damn it, Nefarious. Nefarious, get that lube out, boy. Get that lube out, boy. Get that lube out. No, Nefarious, you can't go long. You said the market was going down. You said it was going to waterfall to the downside. You said it was going to waterfall, and it went up. So do not deny it. Do not deny it. You took it right in the butt. I told you to get the lube out. Don't fade me. Don't fade me. We got the VWAP up there next, 84s. Just gonna come straight back down now and chop some more before the end of day. $170 is a huge level. How is no one else seeing this? Because it's institutional. The 170 area is where the institutions put their orders at. If you watch Rips live on YouTube, he'll tell you exactly where the institutions go. Because he knows, all right? He's a poker player slash hedge fund trader slash YouTuber who loses money every day. He wants $2 million to have a day trading competition versus me. I don't know, man. $2 million seems like a lot of money for someone who trades combines every day. PW, if you were in a room for ICT and Rips, whose neck would you go for first? Well, I wouldn't go for either of their necks. I would just basically be covering I would try to really protect my balls. My balls mostly. I'd go in the corner, right? First thing I would do, if I was in a room with ICT and Rips, the first thing I would do is I would go in the corner, right? And I would protect my balls, because those guys, they want my balls in their mouth so bad that they would just be like, nope, I'm going in the corner. Ain't letting that happen. I'd have to protect myself. I'd have to protect my balls. Oh. Bro, I would be very, very worried. I'd be very worried to be in a room with Rips and ICT at the same time. That'd be a lot of ball touching. He'd be trying to touch my balls really. He'd be trying to get all up in my balls, man. Dude's a super fan. ES is already up there above the VWAP right now. Will the ES continue higher? NASDAQ, ES, the magic, the moves, the boo. Speak true. I did a poll the other day, actually. I thought it was really funny. I feel bad. It's kind of sad, actually. Like, oh, kind of sucks. Kind of sucks to lose to those people, you know? Like, ooh, that hurts. Ooh, ouch. Ooh, oh, God. I did a poll. Who's your favorite YouTuber? It was Tanya Trades first place. Trades by Matt, 33%. Nutty Bar got 11, and Rips got 14%. Ew. He almost tied with Nutty Bar. Rips almost fucking tied with Nutty Bar. God, that's bad. That's real bad. How'd you almost fucking tie? How? Oh, God. How did you do that? NASDAQ still going higher through the VWAP now. Everybody in the chat earlier said, Patrick, the market's going to go down, down. Okay, where'd they all go now? They always go quiet. Everyone disappears. They don't keep talking when they lose. You know, you gotta stand up. Stand up. Stand up for your fight to party. Still going. Boner candle to the upside, boys. Look at this thing. Up 60 points from that 140, 150 level through the 170s there, up through the VWAP, up there to the 200s. Boom! 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 God, it's so good to be good. It is so good to be fucking good. You know? It is good to be good. Woo! Hey, when I tell you to get the fucking lube out because we got a boner candle coming, when I tell you there's a boner candle about to pop, you get the lube out. And you get ready, boys. You get ready. That shit's going to the moon. I don't make the rules. I just live by them. All right? Boner candles, get the lube. Boom! Those shorts got it. Got them. Institutional orders coming up here, boys. Prepare for more institutional orders. Power over me in my mind. God, he's so good. I can't. It's hard, you know. I don't like to live like this. I don't like to be this guy, you know. I don't like to always be winning. But someone's got to do it. Someone's got to do it. You know? Somebody's got to do it. Is there a trader that you actually respect? I don't really. I don't. It's not that I don't. It's not that I don't respect people, right? I got nothing against them. I really don't. It's not personal, you know. Like I don't. People think that I like stay up late at night thinking about like rips and stuff, but like I don't. You know, it's part of the game. We're playing the game, people. It's just getting views, drama, something to talk about, honestly. But it's not anything personal. I don't hate anybody, honestly. Like, I'm sure Rips is a totally fine person in real life. You know, I don't know. ICT, I mean, he's pretty fucking, he's like 100% psychotic, but, you know, I don't hate him. Wow, it's been a while since I got on this channel. He got fat. I got rich. Problem with being rich, man, you eat too good. Eating filet mignon and fucking mochi every night. It's hard out here. And I got a girlfriend now, so now I can get fat. I'm fat, rich, and happy. The love of my life. Oh. Market's still going up here through the 220. It's got the 350 algorithm. This thing's fucking ripping, boys. It's a ripping. She wants it all the way. I'm scared. What am I doing? Did you go long? Yeah, I went long. If I put the yellow line on the chart, you know I went long, baby. Come on. I can't help everybody get rich because then the prop firms are going to go out of business, you know? If I help everybody get rich, business is going to go down, you know? Business is going to go down. Dungdu is back with the 280 target. 280 target! Woo! Dungdu is back. If this hits 280, I'm sending this motherfucker a shirt. I'm sending this motherfucker a shirt, if you know what I mean. This guy got to get a free shirt today. Dungdu! Hey, he said you just needed wide stops today, man. Wide stops. Wide stops, all right? Dungdu, baby. Don't dung it, just do it. My guy. Tell me another live stream who has Dungdu. Tell me, find me another live stream who has somebody like Dungdu. All right, nobody's got this guy. He is my quant. He is my fucking expert trader in the chat at all times. Dung did it. I'm gonna make Dungdu a moderator. Yeah, he's gonna get wild. Dung, we're calling you up, moderator. Dungdu can now ban people from the chat. That's how badass this motherfucker is. Get on Dungdu's level. Dungdu, don't stop believing, cause Dungdu will do it forever. Dude, the ES, the NASDAQ just ripping right now, boys. Ripping into the close here. It's power hour. Welcome to the fucking show. If you're not making money, you're clearly not hanging out on the right fucking live stream. If you know what I mean. If you know what I mean. You know, you gotta make the money. Honeys. Honey, make the money. Dong do. Dong do. Dong do. Dong, 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 do. That's 100 points, by the way. Hey, I just want to put this out there. Chat. We put that out there. Who's up 100? Who's up 100 points? Up there to the 250s now. We got that 355 algorithm coming up. Let me know in the chat. Don't you vote for ICT. Don't you do it. Don't vote for him. Don't you vote for him. Don't you vote for him, you crazy bastards. All right, we got 2 minutes here till the 350 algorithm, 355. All right, the next poll. I do want to give props to Dung Do in the chat. The guy shows up every day. He puts his name on the line. He puts his life on the line, you know. He's out there hustling for us. I'm already up like so much in all of my accounts, I don't even know what to do. Oh my God. Dung Do! Dung Do! Dung fucking do. This guy. This guy. He's on fire. On fire. What a move. What a move. What a move. Dung do. Hey, I called this trade out just as much as Dung Do did. All right, hey, let's give me some credit as well, okay? I was very bullish. People ask me if I was bearish or bullish. You know, I called this move out. Don't say I didn't call it out. Oh man, Dung Do, my guy. We have not officially, have we hit 280 yet? The high of that, what's that high of that candle? 279.25. I mean, I did draw the line on the chart. I did put that line on there back when we were down here. Y'all didn't believe me. The shorts said it was going to go down, but so congratulations to the chat for being smart. Watching me. Is that the high? It would be really funny if this was the high of the move right there at 280, wouldn't it? Wouldn't that be hilarious? Nah, I think it's gonna go. It's gonna break 280s. It's about to break 280s. Get ready. 280 break. Get ready. Right through the 280s here. Take my hands. There's your 280 break. There's your 2 points, 3 points. Just call me Mr. fucking Wonderful. Call me Mr. Wonderful, all right? Just call me Mr. Wonderful, because I'm just that wonderful. There you go. Dung Do. Rich. Oh man, 280s breaking. What a move. What a move. Power hour there. That didn't happen until literally 2:40 in the afternoon, or 3:40 here. So the last 20 minutes market open here, you got about a 100-point move. Dung Do kept his stop real wide today, and it worked out. I like it. Congratulations to everybody in the chat who follows along. Damn it, Patrick. I wish you knew how to trade. One day I'll figure this out, guys. One day we're going to figure this shit out, bro. We're going to figure it out. Let's get some W's in the chat, you know, for the poor people out there. Who's got the W's? W's in the chat. W's in the chat. W's in the chat. W's in the chat. www.w. www.w. What a move, what a move, what a move, what a time to be alive. What it's all just so, everything's so good. I can't even believe it. This is the best trade of my life. Thank you guys so much for all your support. I just want to thank everybody. You know, they stuck with me, man. It's been rough, you know. I know we've had some rough days. I know we've had some rough days, boys. It's not always easy, but we're back. We're on the W's. We get nothing but W's around here. Look at this trade. 100 points at the end of the fucking day. Doing it live on YouTube. That's how we roll, baby. Let's go. In the chat, www.winnersonlywinners.com. Look at that. From the 150s up there to the 250s live on YouTube. www.winners. Big thank you guys for tuning in. We absolutely crushed it today. I'm up over like $30,000 on the day, and really happy with that. We had a good day. You know, we had some frustration. We had some idiots for a while talking about prop firms. We had some shorts who just wanted to get squeezed. You know, they were just wanting to get squeezed. I told them, get the lube out, boys, because you about to get it. You're about to get that boner candle, and well, guess what? There's your fucking boner candle, boys. Boom! I don't know about you, but I'm pumped up. I'm ready. I'm about to eat fucking 12 eggs here. I'm going to eat 12 eggs. I'm going to go out surfing. I'm going to come back tomorrow morning and do it all over again, all right? Dung Do, big appreciation for you today. Killing it in the chat. We got our new moderator. I look forward to taking over the world with my friend. I might fly to Vietnam at some point. Go buy him lunch. Buy him dinner. Buy him a massage. Whatever he's into. Vietnam, here I come. Hey, Dung, you think they like me in Vietnam? You think they'd like Patrick Wieland? I like some Vietnamese food. It'd be good stuff, you know. All right. I'll see you guys on the flip side. Peace to the Middle East. Quad 12 walk. What's poppin'? We're out of here. It's over. Market's closed. Take your money and run away, baby. Dung Do! We got to put a billboard. We got to get a billboard in Vietnam. Get more people from Vietnam watching Patrick Wieland live on YouTube. We could really blow this up. 10,000 people watching Patrick Wieland and Dung Do taking over. So there it is. Yeah, thank you guys. Love you. Appreciate you. And I'll see you tomorrow morning. There it is. Beautiful. Peace.